In this tutorial video, we will be looking at how to combine files using Adobe Acrobat Pro. The first thing you want to do is click on Tools in the tabs bar after launching Adobe Acrobat Pro, and then when you click on that, then you click the Combine Files icon or tool in the Tools view page. Or your second option is to click on Combine Files directly from Home View. If you use the Combine Files tool pretty often, it will appear in your most recent tools here to the top for easy access. So that's helpful to remember. Whichever route you take, it will ultimately take you to the Combine Files workspace. Once in that workspace, you have three options for adding the file you want to combine. You can add files by clicking on the Add Files button below. So here we have Add Files, and it tells you to click the Add Files button below. Or if you have files already open in Adobe Acrobat Pro, you can click the Add Open Files button just below here. The button is grayed out right now because I don't have any files open here in the tabs bar at the moment. So because I don't have any files open right now, I'm going to click on Add Files. If you have all the files you want to combine all in one folder, you can go ahead and select multiple files by holding down the Shift key and Page Down key at the same time. If you do that, you will notice that all of the selected files appear in the file name field. Another thing you will notice is that you can combine different file formats: Excel, PDF, PowerPoint, Word. Click Open when you've selected your multiple files. Now your selected files appear in the Combine Files workspace. And again, you'll notice the different file extensions. Your files don't all have to be PDF files at all. You have the option to add more files to combine at this moment if you want. Click on the drop-down arrow for Add Files and select Add Files from the menu options to add more files. When you have all the files you want to combine in the workspace, click on the Combine button on the top right corner. Before the files combine, Adobe Acrobat Pro has to convert the non-PDF files to PDFs, and the status bar down here tells you the progress of the conversion file by file. Once all the files have been converted, all your files will now appear as you see here as a single binder. You can see how many pages your newly created binder or portfolio has at this point to confirm all your separate files were successfully combined. As usual, don't forget to save your new file or portfolio in this case. So you click on File and then Save As. Now we're going to look at our second option for combining files. If we have open files here, which you can see in the tabs bar, we can just click on Add Open Files down here. A window pops up with the files we have open and we want to combine, and then we click on Add Files again. Once we do that, and we've seen this step before, where all the files we want to combine are here in the Pre-Combine step, we can go ahead and add more files or even remove files at this point before clicking on the Combine button. Once we're settled on all the files we want to combine, we know this step, we click on the Combine button up here on the right to combine all of 4 files into one binder or portfolio. You have just completed the tutorial video for learning how to combine files using Adobe Acrobat Pro 2020.